Russian S-400 air defense has been in news for some time now due to its dreaded anti-access aerial denial (A2AD) capabilities. S-400 can track hundreds of targets at a time, engage up to 36 targets in parallel, and simultaneously launch 72 missiles. The system has powerful hardware integrated with state-of-the-art software in the back end. S-400 uses multiple radars depending on threat perception. The primary one is either the 91N6E Big Bird Acquisition and Battle Management Radar or 92N6E Gravestone Multi-Mode Engagement Radar. These have a range of around 600 kilometers. The main radar is complemented by target acquisition radars like 67N6 Gamma D and 9N6 Protivnik G radars in L-band, Nebo SVU in the very high frequency band, and Nebo M and Zebu M in multiband. Nebo SVU and Zebu M have claimed capability against stealth aircraft. The radars are very resistant to jamming. S-400 deploys multiple missiles to cover its strike envelope. 1. Short-range 9M96E 40 kilometers with an active radar homing head having a speed of Mach 2.6. 2. Medium-range 9M96E2 120 kilometers with an active radar homing head having a speed of Mach 3. 3. Long-range 48N6 250 kilometers with an active radar homing head having a speed of Mach 14. And 4. Very long-range 40N6 400 kilometers with an active radar homing head having a speed of Mach 14. Hence, these missiles are not only guided by radars of S-400, but also have their own active and semi-active radar homing capability, enabling them to keep chasing fast and maneuvering targets till the last moment. The maximum speed of targets for successful elimination, Mach 14, or 4,800 meters per second. The vertical launch enables missiles of S-400 to have seamless 360-degree target envelope. As evident, S-400 is a very capable system and touted to be a game-changer by many military experts. In this video, Defense Updates lists 5 renowned American weapons that are made obsolete by S-400. Let's get started. The U.S. Air Force officially retired MQ-1 Predator on March 9, 2018. Predator is now replaced by more capable MQ-9 Reaper, which will be the backbone of U.S. Air Force drone operations going forward. Reaper has an endurance of 27 hours, a service ceiling of 50,000 feet, a range of 1,151 miles or 1,852 kilometers, and max speed of 300 miles per hour or 482 kilometers per hour. It has the ability to carry around 2,500 pounds or 1,100 kilograms of weapons payload through its external hardpoints. The Reaper's hardpoints give it the ability to deploy a combination of AGM-114 Hellfire, GBU-12 Paveway, and GBU-38 JDAM munitions. None of these air-to-ground weapons have the range that can enable the Reaper to launch them from standoff distance. So Reaper will need to get in close for a strike, and this will mean it'll be in the range of S-400. But when in S-400 range, the slow speed and limited maneuverability leaves Reaper with no escape route. Boeing AH-64 Apache is the twin turboshaft attack helicopter well known for its deadly offensive prowess. Produced from 1983, the gunship has many variants. It has a maximum speed of 182 miles per hour or 293 kilometers per hour and a range of 295 miles or 476 kilometers. It typically carries short-range air-to-ground rockets like Hydra 70 and missiles like AGM-114 Hellfire variants, AIM-92 Stinger, and Spike missiles. These weapons have a very limited range, and AH-64 Apache will have no way to engage S-400 without getting into its strike range. The AH-64 Apache is a fast and agile gunship compared to many of its peers. But this doesn't change the fact that it was never meant to dodge supersonic or hypersonic missiles that are employed by S-400. The dreaded gunship stands no chance against S-400. F-15, F-16, and F-18 fighters have been the workhorse for U.S. Air Force. All these jets have been kept relevant with multiple upgrade packages and are still considered to be some of the most capable fourth-generation fighter jets. The excellent maneuverability and long-range air-to-air missiles make them a very competent foe. But these jets were not designed to be stealthy and have fairly large radar cross-section, RCS. So when in range, they have a very low probability of survival when attacked with a barrage of missiles from S-400. The best-case scenario is for these jets to launch standoff weapons without entering an S-400's range. The leading option for this is the Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, Extended Range, which has a range of 925+ kilometers or 575+ miles. The missile is designed to be low observable and uses GPS-aided inertial navigation system for mid-course guidance and infrared homing in the terminal stage. But due to its subsonic speed, the missile will take at least 20 minutes to travel the last 400 kilometers. This means for 20 minutes, the missile will be within the range of S-400 and will get multiple shots. It's highly unlikely that the missile will be able to escape interception. The Tomahawk is the well-known long-range, all-weather, subsonic land attack cruise missile. It's in service from 1983, and the missile has been used by the American military on several occasions. The missile has a speed of about 550 miles per hour or 890 kilometers per hour and a maximum range of 2,500 kilometers. It's guided by GPS and INS, and some variants also have active radar homing. The missile can be launched from surface combatants, submarines, as well as from land-based launchers. The slow speed, coupled with its decent size, makes it an easy target for agile and fast interceptor missiles of S-400. The missile may be able to evade an old air defense system, but has little odds against an advanced integrated air defense system like the S-400. The Boeing B-52 Stratofortress is a long-range, subsonic, jet-powered strategic bomber. It's been operated by the United States Air Force, USAF, since the 1950s. The B-52 was designed and built by Boeing, which has continued to provide support and upgrades. Superior performance at high subsonic speeds and relatively low operating costs have kept the B-52 in service despite the advent of more advanced aircraft, including the variable geometry B-1 Lancer and stealthy B-2 Spirit. After being upgraded between 2013 and 2015, it's supposed to serve into the 2040s. The B-52s are expected to reach the end of their service lives by 2045 and be replaced by B-21 Raiders. The B-52 is capable of carrying both conventional as well as nuclear weapons. This includes normal gravity bombs and AGM-86 air-launched cruise missiles. In case of any gravity bombs, B-52 will have to be in the vicinity of S-400 to drop the bombs. The slow and lumbering jet, in all probability, will be engaged and taken down well before that. With AGM-86, the B-52 has a better option than gravity bombs. The AGM-86 is a subsonic air-launched cruise missile built by Boeing with a range of 1,500+ miles or 2,400+ kilometers, enabling it to be launched from well beyond the strike envelope of S-400. But, as discussed earlier, the subsonic missiles will have very little chance of getting a shot at S-400.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.